Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick foxy eye makeup look. So I am just starting off using the simple moisturiser to just prep my face, and then I'm going in with the pear soap and the spoolie end of my eyebrow pencil just to push my eyebrow hairs up and get them nice and fluffy. So next I'm taking the pencil end of my brow pencil, which is by Ardell, and it's a Celebrity Brow Pencil, and I'm just using this to fill in any sparse areas and just make them look a little bit fuller and more defined. So next I'm going to take the Collection 2000 Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm using this to carve and define my eyebrows, and I will also use it as a base for the eyeshadow for the next clip. So once I have buffed out the concealer and got rid of any lines and blended it in nicely, I'm then going to take the eyeshadow palette that I got in a Glossy Box edition a few months back, which is the Splash eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Tiger Eye, and I am going to use this as a winged eyeliner effect. So next I'm taking the shade Argonite, which I think is how you pronounce it, and I am just going above the crease line and slightly into it just to give it a little bit more depth and definition. So once I have finished out buffing, I'm going in with the shade Onyx, which is just black, and I'm using it on the upper lash line. And then once I have finished lining that, I am just going to take it into the inner eye near the tear duct, and I'm just going to exaggerate that. And what that is going to do is really exaggerate and elongate my eye to make it a lot more foxy and a lot more closed. So then I'm just going to take my eyeshadow brush that I used previously, and I'm just going to buff out any marks and any harsh lines. Then I'm going in with my Clarins mascara, and I'm just going to use this for the outer edge, and then I am going to apply some lashes over the top. So for the lashes, they are already cat eye anyway, but I am going to cut the edge because I only want half of it just to go on the outside, and I think this makes it a little bit more natural. So I did have a little bit of problems applying my other lash, so for the rest of this video I have only got one eye with lashes on, but right at the end you will see the finished look with both lashes on. So next I'm going in with the concealer again for my under eye, and it's the same one, Collection 2000 in shade Fair. Now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation in shade True Ivory, which is number 103, and I'm just using a stippling brush just to blend this in. Then I'm going in with the Stay Matte powder from Rimmel London as well, just to set that in place. Then I've got the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer just to contour some areas and warm my face up a little bit. So next we have blusher, and I'm not sure of the name of this brand because I did get it in a glossy box and it was quite a while ago, but I do love it. And then we have the Sleek Makeup Highlighter, which I've had for years, and it was another glossy box freebie as well. So I'm just going in and highlighting the points of my face and the under eyebrow. And then we have the W7 Illuminating Setting Spray, so I'm just going to finish off with that. And then we have the Gigi Hadid lip liner, and I'm going to use this with a L'Oreal 630 Beige Natural colour, and I think this combo goes really well together. And then this is pretty much the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked the video then please give it a like and please subscribe, please share and help out my small channel. Thank you.